Welcome to Vowel Magic. Today, our furry friends, the cats, will help us learn about magical vowel changes. Let's start with the letter I. Meet Cat, the adventurous kitty. When Cat finds a hat, the E in cat changes the word to hat. Isn't that fun? Next, Cat eats an apple. Watch how the E changes in apple to make the word maple. Can you say maple with me? Cat finds a bat and turns it into a bat cave. Magic happens when vowels change. See how bat becomes cave? Now, let's look at the letter E. Cat loves to rest. When it sleeps, it dreams of trees. Rest changes to trees. Vowel magic at work. Cat jumps and becomes jet set. The E in jet changes the word to set. Can you spot the change? Time for the letter I. Cat likes to dig. Digging turns into big adventures. Notice how I changes dig to big? Cat finds a big figure. Watch the magic as fig turns into pig. Amazing, right? Let's see the letter O. Cat hops around and finds a top. O changes hop to top. Try saying top with me. Cat spots a log and turns it into a fog. The O in log works its magic to make fog. Isn't vowel magic exciting? Finally, the letter U. Cat finds a mug. The U changes a mug into bug. Can you say bug with me? Cat ends the day under the sun. Sun becomes fun with the magic of U. Thanks for learning with Cat and the magic vowels. See you next time.